Check this out. Little Mr. Angry said there was a really symmetrical bird poo on the side of my car when I dropped him off from school today. And I see what he means now. I park under a tree to keep out of the sun, and it's not birds crapping on my car, it's possums pissing and crapping on my car. But look, it's a symmetrical bird poo. I don't know what it's been eating. Check it out. What do you eat to produce poo like that? Let's scrape it off. What the? Ah, fuck! Oh god. It's a fucking spider! Fucking spider! Now the bastard's... It's a spider playing an April Fool's trick on me. What the fuck is that? I have never seen a spider like that. Bastard! Bastard spider playing an April Fool's trick on me. Yes. Look at him. He's a feisty bugger too. Yes. Don't give me attitude, sunshine. You're on my car. What is he? Man, I'm going to get a bigger stick. He's freaking me out, actually. He's not well. Alright, I'll put you in the garden. Go in the garden. How's that for a fuck my life moment? Spiders playing April Fool's joke on me, pretending to be bird shit on my window.